Hi, welcome to a2znowledge.com. So today we are going to discuss about list in Python. Uh, list is part of collections, and if you go for any language, programming language, we have collections. So collection have some basic topics like map, set, and list, and we have many other unique types in different languages. So here we have, like today, we are going to see a list. Before getting into it, so I want to tell you something. We have the playlist link of Python in the description box of this video where you can get many Python videos which I'm gonna upload more in upcoming days. And I'm gonna split this list videos into many. So list has many methods and functionalities, and it will be very interesting to learn, not like any other languages, but I'm not sure. So for whatever my experience so far, I know Java and Scala. List something in Python, it's very easy and it is having very cool stuff. I just want to make a different video so that I can explain you a lot and in short. Okay, so what is list? So in general, the list is a general terminology which we use in our daily life, right? A word, a list of like elements. I want to prepare a list for my purchase, shopping, something like that. So list always will contain some elements. And general, in if you create a list, whatever you want to do a shopping today, so what you will do something if you forgot, then you can add it later. So you can extend the list and you can shorten the list, you can remove something, you can add something. So lists are mutable, you can change. Immutable is something you can't, but mutable is something you can able to change it, and you can add, you can remove. It's not a fixed length, it's a dynamic. You can do whatever you want. And then list is something, it won't maintain any order and it will allow duplicates. And if you take by default, list won't maintain order, but if you want to maintain some sorting order, that is possible, you can do. And list allow duplicates. And if you take list is kind of what to say, people used to have a question, what is the difference between list and tuples? There is something called tuples in Python, it exists. When people who watch this video are new to Python, then you don't have that question, you will not have that question. But the people who is something, they have some basic understanding about Python, and if you are watching this video, then you will have this question: what is the difference between tuples and list? So I don't want to confuse by including that in this video, so I have made a separate video in understanding the difference between what is tuple and list. And please, you can get that also in my playlist. If there is no video exist, soon I will upload. Okay, if that is exist, then fine, you can watch it. So if it is not there, I will upload soon. So now we can jump into the practical. So practical will be very short, and I will just gonna explain how to declare a list and how to declare it and how to create it, and that's what we are going to see. So here, this is an empty list. So a list will always starts with an ends with a square bracket, and then list of integers, and you can have integers and you can have mixed data types, and that is also interesting part here. You can have mixed data types, integer, float, something like that, string obviously. And then nested list. Okay, a list inside a list is called a nested list. For example, I create a list, like I have a mobile phone list, like I have an LG phone, I have an iPhone, I have a Moto G. So now this is a list. Now I want to create a sub list for futures. Okay, I want to tell iPhone futures, and then Moto G futures, and then LG phone futures. So list inside a list. So nested list, that is also possible. Like this, you can do something like this. So now I'm just going to run it. So obviously it is going to print as the same what I have mentioned here. So as I told you, list is very interesting topic, and there is a lot in list, like how to add, how to remove, how to add an indexing, and many cool stuffs are there. So I'm gonna make it's a separate videos, like 4 to 5 videos I'm planning to put for just for list. So I'm gonna add the word list in the topic of the video so that it will be easy for you to find out, and I'm gonna add all these under Python playlist. So thanks for watching a2znowledge.com. If you really like this video, subscribe my channel and forward this to your friends and colleagues. And we do videos in many languages and many technologies in two languages like English and Tamil. So thanks for watching a2znowledge.com.